Derek Kagoria wari afitha wa ruhonge rwa kungania magoti bururi-ini kiari nwe uma wa ica ikuhi gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge IGINDA na WONJORIA niguo gutariria itemi riria anyitire hari kuragwa kiro tani imwe cia cukari thumu uria wagiriire guthukangio. Kuringana na Derek erire kamiti no ati akoretwo agikuithio murigo wa kuragwa cukari uyu na thengia wa gukorwo ndari undu uyu wathiaga na mbere kuona agithie gutua siri cia thito iria cukari uyu waigitwo agiriirwo atige wira ucio ngi moko-ini ma Faith Kiara uria ni afitha wa ruhonge rwa kiari uria warugamirire thito uyu no indi akirega gwikinyia.
Did you, because you are investigating together with the officers, check whether any part of the door could have been interfered with? Number one, just let me finish. Number two, did this room where the sugar was have another access? Was there another door that perhaps had not been sealed?
I even pointed this out to the DCI officers and I told them the door was not looking the same, because when we were there, even from the photographs because when we were sealing, we even took photographs, you will see like there is a difference even in terms of the painting of the nini. The one was the older photos look ni kama imenini, but the new one inaka really new and done.
Derek agithie na mbere ataririo ria Faith Kiara mwathire macemanio wabici-ini cia maabitha DCI niguo mathie rumwe mwena wa Thika kuria makorire cukari wothe weheretio kuma thitoo cia kambuni ya Kings Commodity Thika kuria waigitwo. Kiuria kinene ari Faith amenyire ati cukari uyu wari muiye.
On the 2nd of May at night is when Faith called me and said that now instead of reporting to work at Upper Hill, I go to DCI headquarters. So that's where we met on this 3rd of May. But she had called me the night before.
So whatever you found at THIKA, they had the prior mindset on what is or they expected to be at THIKA. Where do you think they got this particular information from? Do you have a clue? Or did you ask anybody? How did they? Because they are not magic and they are not angels.
Iguru ria kamiti ino ni kuruhanetie maabitha ruhonge rwa kiari na gukorwo makuite mborita hari kuragwa cukari uyu kuona ciuria nyingi itari anja iratigwo moko-ini mao kumana na uria nginya macagurire kambuni ya Vinepack ta gukorwo ario yari thukangia cukari ucio na thengia wa gukorwo itakinyaniirie ikiro.
Ona thutha wa gukorwo ati ni andu amaobica ma KUKARI ni mari araicire ati Vinepack ndari na ukinyiria wa gukorwo agiconvert cukari uyu na ndari license. Mutumia oretwo Faith Kiara no andikire release letter akimenyaga ati information hao na mundu ure no kinyaniria na akirelease kago kuriwe no no ona kago ona ya releasewo de release go ethie kuriwe koguo no yari o mubango wa ukorwo ni officially kago ne ya releasewo nigetha nayo mabangi ore gukiuma.
Afitha wa kiari Faith Kiara na mwene thitoo cia kambuni ya Kings Commodity na kuri uguo ne mangathirie gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti ino muthi kuria mathirwo gugekinyia mbere ya kamiti ino tariki 21 mweri uyu wona koroti uguo marutirwo watho wa gwikinyia
mubango uria wari ho kumakiambiriria wari wa kuya cukari koguo matingiendire cukari uthie kuri code official kuria cukari ucio ungirutirwo wira wa conversion menda go handu hena gataraca haria mekuringira na mahote kuona ora cukari ucio gucoka ume uthie thoko koguo ngiurora kuma kiambiriria kiaguo kinya mwisho ni wale mubangire kinya ukirika.
Ngirivotera Kameme TV Jitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.